You're about to get some good advice, but it's not financial advice. Check the disclaimer. Hey, you. I'm about to show you a system where it's impossible to stay on a losing streak if you apply this trading software hack every day. And I'm going to do it step by step, a complete guide. And I've recorded a live trade so that you can look over my shoulder as we get this done. Ready? Let's do it. Let's work. Okay, before we get into the sauce, we need to agree on three things. First, focus on 1 to 3 trades a day only. Secondly, only 0.5 to 2% per trade. Guys, trading is life. Rich people are never in a rush to spend their money. Poor people, almost all the time, are in a rush to spend their money even before they make it. So, take your time and trade smart with sizing. Third thing, like, share, and comment. Let's get back to letting humans pick what we see on this platform. Okay, if you guys look close, this is a dollar yen trade. Got in at about 155.23. I don't usually do this, but I set that little red line there. That's where I'm going to be getting out at. And I don't like to do that because it's not hidden now. And the market maker and the parties that are able to look at the order book are able to determine where I'm going to be at when I exit my trade. I usually like to hide my stop loss, but we're doing a little Forex trade here. I set this up with the screener by just arranging things from top to bottom and seeing what's strong on the week. It's Thursday. I watch this, and this is my statistics, which said we're at the top statistically for the week. Okay, guys, this is the other side of that dollar yen trade. Broke this down to a 5-minute chart because I think it's a little easier to see. We got in somewhere close to this statistical high at about 155, 235, and yeah, my exit was set for 155.10, and I want to touch on that. One of the first books I ever read about trading, and it very much influenced me even when I used to run a trading room. I used to bring up things from this book. It was written by Wade Cook, and I forgot to list it on my favorite books. But this is called Business by the Bible. It really just relates trading to a lot of biblical statements, and one of them was from the Old Testament. It's don't glean the vineyards. Now you will note that, yeah, we're over here at 155.03, but I had a plan. I had what I call a bias, which really the letters BIAS stands for build insight through analyzing and stick to your plan. That's all. You need a bias. That's why at the top of this trade, I done my entry. I set my exit. My exit was a 1/4 of a deviation, and this took me 30 minutes. I made about, what was it? 66 bucks and some change. Okay. But that's 30 minutes. Now, that's just using your bias, developing your bias, building insight through analysis, and sticking to your plan. I just wanted to use that little live trade as an example. Again, where did I get that trade from? I'm going to pop it up on the screen. I got that trade from looking at our Forex screener and being aware that we were already the top. This was the top performing Forex pair, and this is Thursday as I record this. And it's already was, once I got over here and looked at the levels on the chart, I could see that we were knocking at that weekly high a little early. I'd like to be a lot earlier than that, but that helped me develop my bias. I built that insight. I done my analysis looking even at the levels over here, and I just took the trade. That's all I got for right now, guys. I hope this has helped somebody, and I encourage you guys to take a look at our Forex screener. There's a real life example right there. See you guys on the next one. Peace.